AI isn't just for professionals. In 2026, free AI tools are helping everyone work smarter and more creatively. From writing to organizing, these tools cost nothing but save hours every week. Firstly, Notion AI. Even in the free version of Notion, you can summarize notes, brainstorm ideas, and draft emails instantly. It's like having a smart assistant built into your workspace. Secondly, Grammarly. The free plan checks grammar, spelling, and clarity in real time. Whether you're writing assignments, emails, or social posts, it makes your text sharp and professional. Third, Google Gemini. Available free inside Google Docs and Gmail, it helps you draft, rewrite, and polish content directly where you work. No extra software needed. Concluding. So if you want to boost productivity without spending a single rupee, start with these free AI tools today. Subscribe now for more ways AI is reshaping everyday life.